In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Intuit account profile. If you've decided that you no longer want to keep your Intuit account, the process is straightforward, but there are a couple of important confirmation steps along the way. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can complete the request smoothly and avoid confusion during the verification stage. To begin, sign in to your Intuit account profile. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, since account deletion requests are tied to the specific profile you're currently using. If you manage more than one account, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that you're in the right place before continuing. Once you're signed in, go to the Data and Privacy section. This is where Intuit provides settings and options related to how your information is managed. Take your time here and look carefully through the available account controls so you don't accidentally select the wrong option. Since you're working with privacy and account access settings, it's always best to move slowly and double check what you're clicking. In the Data and Privacy area, request account deletion. This is the step that tells Intuit you want your account removed. Depending on the page layout, you may see language related to deleting your profile or closing your account. Select the deletion request option and continue through any on-screen prompts that appear. After that, follow the security confirmation email. This step is very important because the deletion request usually won't be completed until you confirm it through the message sent to your email inbox. Open the email associated with your Intuit account, look for the confirmation message, and follow the instructions provided there. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. As you complete the confirmation, read each screen carefully so you understand what happens next.